Hello guys, good morning to each and everyone. Welcome to my stream. This is Only PH Vlogs. And to my viewers and my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for your support. And again, to our communities, it is okay to support each other. No problem for me wherever you go. Because I don't hold to you guys, and let's be open here. We can meet to our new friends and old friends, and we are to help each other. We're supporting, and that's it. We can sub for whole, or we can actually we can meet our new friends, and that's why to be open here. YouTube is very big community everywhere you are from the group, and you have also your own group, and we can share to each other for our knowing. And thank you so much to our Sir Luxor TV, to my support my WH and my CCA PH and my new do play also my WH Master Chris TV. Don't forget to subscribe guys and help to him because he's a part of my channel also. And one thing I can say, thank you so much guys. And my old supporters and my new supporters, new viewers and new subscribers, thank you so much guys for your support and more power. God bless us all. And once again, good morning. I love you all.